Jordan3 Brand is digging deep into its collection to revive a long-lost sample as part of the commemoration of the Air Jordan 6's 35th anniversary. In spring 2026, the eagerly anticipated Air Jordan 6 Reverse Infrared, formerly known as the Infrared Salesman Sample from 1999, will finally make its market debut. For the milestone year, many anticipated the reappearance of the iconic original Infrared, but sneaker files and zSneakerheadz have confirmed that the reverse version will be available instead. With the exception of a few significant changes that reverse important aspects of the design, the colorway is almost like the original. The black and infrared midsole highlights on this edition switch places in the forefoot, giving the sneaker a subtle yet noticeable change in visual balance. To set it apart from previous generations' more subtle embroidery, the heel's Nike Air insignia also comes in a vivid infrared tint. Retail price is $225 US.